Hello everyone, myself Ankita, A1 section CSBS. Name of the product is guitar. My company name is Rhythm. This is my company logo. Feedback collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity to update electrical or hardware, improve its sound quality and playability, adding new features such as coil split or phase switch to adapt a new playing style. Define and ideate features to be added, LED indicators for tuning and effect status, wireless connectivity for easy recording, auto tuning effect, futuristic product name is SEETARAM. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.